Public service announcement to my country people. E dey rain millions over here o. No say I no give you better update o. Once you subscribe to this channel, na so 1 million go just land for your account gidigba. Try am first and thank me later.
The video clip you just watched, I used my original voice to record it, but then I turned it to a male voice with the power of AI. You see how the pidgin sounded natural, not robotic. Ka anyị sụọ Igbo n'ihi na anyị asụgo Bekee na pidgin. Aha m bụ Nwaada Chisom. Ọ bụrụ na AI ka m dere Igbo asị ya sụọ ya, ọ ga-akpọdo Igbo m isi n'ala. Mana nke a m ji olu m asụ, ịfụ na ọ dabara adaba.
Hi, Somi here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create your avatars step by step and also how to make them talk using your real voice. This is to avoid your video sounding robotic or fake. Sure, you see how the pigeon sounded so real, not like AI pigeon that sounds off. So you can actually use your voice to say exactly what you want in any dialect. Then you can change it to male voice, female voice. You have different option of voice to change your voice to. So if it's something you're interested in, then watch this video to the end. Subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed. Like, share, and drop me a really nice comment. Let us create. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using Gemini AI, but you can use any app of your choice. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, anyone that you prefer. So here I'll open up my Gemini, then I'll import the picture I want to create. So once I select the picture, I'm going to give it a simple prompt. So convert this image to a hyper-realistic 3D cartoon avatar. He has expressive eye and cartoon body in 16 by 9. So if you want it portrait, then it's 9 by 16. So this is what we have. This is very nice. So I'll go ahead and save it. Then let me create another one too with my picture. So this one now, I'll just give it a simple prompt. Convert this image to a hyper-realistic 3D cartoon avatar. She has expressive eyes and cartoon body inside a modern sitting room in 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Now I want to change the background. So I'll just generate. Yeah, this is what we have and this looks good. So I'll go ahead and save it to my device. Then we'll be proceeding to the next app that I'll be using. Now the next app that we'll be using to make our avatar talk. We've created our avatar, so we'll proceed to make it talk. Now the app we'll be using is one.video. So just open up your browser and type one.video. Once this loads, it gets you to this interface. So if it's your first time using the app, you click on try now. You will need to sign up with your Gmail, of course. So you sign up with Google. So you just scroll down here where you have three buttons and select desktop app. If you're using your phone, for you to use this app, you have to change it to desktop site and it will give you exactly this interface. So here you click on avatar, click on speech to video. Then it will give you where you put your character and your audio. We'll go ahead and click on character. Click on upload from device. Then select avatar. I already recorded my audio, so I'll just go ahead and upload it. So I'll click on choose file and select my audio. Now, one.video only gives you 15 seconds of audio. So if your audio is longer than 15 seconds, you just have to batch create. One.video gives you free creation. So I'll go ahead and click on zero credit. So I'm generating with zero credit. Now it's showing queuing because I don't have credit. But the only thing is If you are creating with credit, it's faster. But if you are creating without credit, it takes a longer time. But for this one now, we are generating with zero credits because I don't have credit. But so our video is ready.
With the power of AI. You see how the pigeon sounded natural, not robotic.
See how the
Like
video is just
the
smooth. That's what one dot video gives you. Let's get to the second part of the video, that is recording with our voice and now changing it to a male voice. So our video is ready. We'll go ahead and save it. So you just have to click here, then you click on download with watermark because it's free too, so you have to download with watermark. So now we'll go ahead to the second part of the video, that is recording with our own voice and changing it to either male or another female voice. In case of men, you can record with your male voice and change it to female voice if you are working with a female avatar. So here we'll just open our browser. Once you open your browser, you type morph.ai. Then you scroll down. You make sure there is this particular one. Scroll down. You make sure there is this particular one with this icon that you are using. Then you click on it, click on these three lines and click on product. So once you select product, you select voice changer. Then you scroll all the way down. Then you see upload files or record audio. So you select record audio. Then you select start recording. So here you have to allow your mic if it's your first time. Now this app, you mustn't sign up before using it. You can use it without signing up. And now record your audio. That's what you see me doing now. Then once you are done, you click on stop recording. Now if you're okay with your audio, you click on proceed with recording. If you want to re-record, you just go ahead and click on re-record if you didn't get it right. So you select re-record and do the process all over again. So once you select proceed with recording, it will get you to this point. So now you have different voice. You can
Welcome to Crypto
play
Urban.
it to
Before
know the
you
one
officially
you
start off with
prefer.
us, we
As
would
I'm
like you to
doing
know us
now, I'm
better
just
and vice
checking the different voices to know the one I
Come
prefer
over to
to
Betty's
use
Ice
for my
Cream Party
videos.
this weekend at the
So this is Ryan, this is Maris,
Diana
Edmond.
Hardy once wrote, "It
So
only takes
once
one
you get the
voice at the
voice you
right
like,
pitch."
then you go ahead and click
They will
on
grow
start
up.
changing voice.
Let's
So
explore
it
some
will
tips on how to
start
eat for
changing
sustained
voice
energy.
immediately. So now it's uploading the file, processing. So you just wait for this to be done. Yes, so our voice has changed.
To
The
my
one
country
down
people,
is
e dey
my
rain
original
millions over
voice
here
and the
o.
one up
No say I no
is
give
the
you better
voice that I've
update
changed. You
o.
see how it sounded. So then you go ahead and click on download. Okay, okay. So we are going to go over to our browser again and we will be using one dot video. So we are just taking the same process we took before. So if you got it the first time, then you can now go ahead and do your thing. But let me just take it all over again. So I'm going to type one dot video, then click on try now. Then you change to request desktop site. If you're using your mobile, you must use desktop site for you to use this app, please. Pico, because if you did not do it, you will not see this particular interface. Okay, to click on avatar, select speech to video, upload my character. This is the male character I'll be using. Then I will also upload my audio, the one that Morph AI have just changed for me. So I'll go to my file and select my audio. So my audio is loading. As always, you cut to 15 seconds. So once this load, we'll go ahead and generate. Yeah, our audio has loaded. So we'll just go and generate. We are generating with zero credit. So this will take time, but I can just minimize it, do what I want to do, and come back to it later. So it's loading. So this will just take some minutes, and once it's done, you can now play it to make sure it's what you want. Okay. Okay. So
Public service announcement to my country people. E dey rain millions over here o. No say I no give
you
you
see how
better
the pigeon is
update o.
sounding. It's
Once
not like AI pigeon. This one is my voice pigeon. Although I'm not very good with pigeon, but at least it's still better. You can use this method for your podcast or just your talking avatars using your original voice. So I'll go ahead and save this to my device. I'll select this icon and select download with watermark, and this will just save to my device. So the same way I did the first part, I need to do the second part of the video. So I'll go ahead and select the same audio again, but now I'll have to trim it down to the ending part. So this is exactly what I'm doing now. So from where it stopped, I'll just continue. So yeah, this is where it stopped. So I'll click on confirm and generate again using 0 credits. When the video is free and is unlimited, it will just take time. It will just take you time, but you can minimize it and do every other thing you want to do. So if you have watched to this part, kindly subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed. Like my video, drop me a really nice comment. Thank you. Let's get back to the video. So now I'll just generate and allow it to load.
count gidigba. Try am first and thank me
Our
later.
video is ready, so this is the ending part. So I'll go ahead and also download it to my device. So for us to now join the video together, we will be using CapCut, just the normal way you edit your videos. So I'll just go to CapCut, select the two clips and join it together. So now I'll join this together, so I'll go ahead and export it to my device. So that is everything for this video. This is how to make your avatar talk, to avoid your video sounding robotic or fake, and also to avoid YouTube demonetizing your video. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to me, like, share, and drop me a really nice comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.